Court of Cassation. A court of cassation is a high-instance court that exists in some judicial systems. Courts of cassation do not re-examine the facts of a case, they only interpret the relevant law. In this, they are appellate courts of the highest instance. In this way, they differ from systems which have a Supreme Court which can rule on both the facts of a case and the relevant law. The term derives from the Latin cassare, to reverse or overturn. The European Court of Justice answers questions of European Union law following a referral from a court of a member state. In exercising this function, it is not a court of cassation. It issues binding advice to the national courts on how EU law ought to be interpreted. It does not overturn decisions of those courts. However, the Court of Justice can act as a court of cassation when it hears appeals from the General Court of the European Union. Many common law Supreme Courts, like the United States Supreme Court, use a similar system whereby the court vacates the decision of the lower court and remands the case for retrial in a lower court compatibly with the decision of the Supreme Court. Where the system differs is that in legal systems such as the American federal courts, mid-tier appeals courts of appeals generally also remand cases to first-instance courts, unlike in, for instance, the French legal system where courts of appeal hear cases on the facts and law. In this sense, a petition for a writ of certiorari is akin to a pourvoi in cassation. Countries. Cassation courts are listed below. Court of Cassation Armenia, Court of Cassation Belgium, Supreme Court of Cassation of Bulgaria, Court of Cassation Democratic Republic of the Congo. In Ecuador, the Court National de Justicia, Court of Cassation Egypt, Supreme Court of Estonia, Court of Cassation France, Court of Cassation Greece, Court of Cassation Haiti, Court of Final Appeal Hong Kong. In Iraq, the Court of Cassation of Iraq, see Constitution of Iraq SS Judicial Branch, Court of Cassation Italy, Court of Cassation Jordan, Court of Cassation Kuwait, Court of Cassation Lebanon, see Politics of Lebanon SS Judicial Branch. In Lithuania, the Supreme Court of Lithuania, Court of Cassation Morocco, Supreme Court of the Netherlands, Supreme Court of Poland, Court of Cassation Qatar. In Romania, the High Court of Cassation and Justice, Court of Cassation Senegal, Supreme Court of Cassation of Serbia, Supreme Court of Spain, Court of Cassation Sudan, in Khartoum, Court of Cassation Tunisia, Court of Cassation Turkey, the Supreme Specialized Court of Ukraine for civil and criminal cases in Ukraine. In Vatican City State, the Supreme Tribunal of the Apostolic Signature.